All right, sounds good. Well, good morning to everyone, and good afternoon to some of you as well. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm here today on behalf of Gateway Insurance Group and your Fun College Specialist to share with you this exclusive introduction to our Fun College program. Now, the response rate that we have had with Fun College has just been incredible, and we're just so excited that you have all joined us today to guarantee your spot in this program. A quick housekeeping item before I do go ahead and get started here. We are going to leave everyone's phone lines muted throughout the presentation just to refrain from any background noise. We will be opening it up at the end for questions. And this is a pretty brief, just about 15, 20-minute or so presentation, and then we'll be holding questions at the end. So if you have any questions, hold them until that point in time. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started here. And to begin, let's discuss why you're all here today. Now, you're here today because you want to dramatically increase your life insurance sales and commissions. And I am here today to show you everything that Gateway has to offer you to ensure that you do just that. Now, with the Fun College program, we are giving you access to guaranteed free college scholarships for your clients. You will be able to leverage all of Gateway's sales tools and premier training, and you are going to be given direct access to our proprietary college funding planner application. So now, before I jump into all of these exciting benefits to you as an agent in the Fun College program, I am going to back up for just a moment so I can introduce you to who Gateway is and the different parts that bring together Fun College. Now, Gateway Insurance Group is a leading wholesaler of insurance products for over 30 years. And they provide the very best support in the industry. They serve several hundred banks and credit unions, thousands of independent life insurance agents, and many large broker-dealers. And advisors utilize Gateway for enhanced business decisions on underwriting and a roadmap on how to best work with each of our core carriers. Now, the next group that I need to introduce you to is Sage Scholars. And Sage brings together families, colleges, and universities and investment companies to create college funding solutions. And now, Sage is an educational marketing organization that was formed in 1995 by the former Dean of Admissions at Wharton, really for the purpose of providing private education at a more affordable price. And now, Sage has created an extremely successful program, which is called Tuition Rewards. And this program was developed to help families pay for their loved ones' college tuition. So what is Tuition Rewards exactly? Now, Tuition Rewards is a unique private college savings program. And these tuition reward points are accumulated and banked just like frequent flyer miles. But they're used for discounts on college tuition at all the participating universities. Each point that is earned is equal to a $1 amount, which is going to be accumulated in your client's tuition rewards account. And now, these points are good at any one of the student's choice of the member universities for a maximum of 1 full year's tuition, which is going to be divided over the 4 years that student is in attendance at the university. And now, Gateway has partnered with Sage Scholars to offer their tuition rewards program with all universal life and indexed universal life insurance plans. And with this partnership, you as an agent contracted through Gateway will now have the ability to offer your clients these free, guaranteed college scholarships. And in just a moment, I'm going to show you just how that works. But first, I want to quickly discuss why we chose to combine life insurance with Sage's Tuition Rewards program. Now, since most of you and your clients are familiar with the 529 plan as an ideal college funding vehicle, we're going to take a look at how using life insurance compares to that plan. Now, with life insurance, there are no annual contribution limits. You can use the withdrawals for any expenses, whether they're college-related or not. The asset value is included in the financial needs analysis. And if the parent dies, there, of course, is the death benefit that should more than cover the schooling costs. So now all of these are benefits to your client over the 529 plan. But as I mentioned earlier, we are here today to show you how you can increase your commissions with this program. So let's take a look here at the example at the bottom of the screen. Now, as you can see, with a $200 a month parent contribution in the 529 plan, you as an agent receive a first-year commission of just $72. But by using that same monthly contribution in a life insurance plan, you are creating a first-year commission of $1,700, proving life insurance to be the most profitable college funding vehicle that's out there. So now let me show you how you can use a life insurance plan to offer your clients guaranteed college scholarship. I have some background noise from someone. Let me go ahead and okay. Sorry about that. So as I just mentioned, I am going to dive into how you can offer your client these guaranteed college scholarship points. And to begin, your client is going to receive an immediate 500 points just for coming in to meet with you to discuss their financial needs. So 500 points right off the bat without any other obligation. They come in to meet with you, they will receive an immediate 500 points. And that's 500 points per person that meets with you. So if you meet with a husband and wife, they will each get their own 500 points upon activating their tuition rewards account. So then, once you sell them their life insurance policy and it meets the $100 a month minimum contribution and is placed in force, your client is going to be awarded a year one bonus of 5,000 additional points. So that makes a year one balance in their tuition rewards account of 5,500 points. Then your client will continue to accumulate 2,000 points per year as long as their life insurance policy remains in force. So if we take a look over to the right here, you can really see the value that you have just added to your clients by them choosing you to be their life insurance agent. Now, as you can see at the beginning of just 5 years, your client is going to already have over 13,000 points to be used towards their loved one's college tuition. So now to really better illustrate for you how these points work with the life insurance plan, I'm going to go ahead and dive into a couple of examples here for you. And first, we're just going to take a look at the tuition reward points. Now, one of the many beauties of this program is that these points can be assigned in a number of ways. You can have one client fund multiple children, or multiple clients can fund one child, which is the example that I'm showing here up on the screen. So here we have both mom and dad assigning their earned points to their oldest daughter, which allows her to have 47,000 points in her tuition rewards account. Now, I remember I had told you in a previous slide that the maximum amount of points that a student can use is up to 1 year's tuition. So if their daughter chooses to attend a member university that costs, let's say, $28,000 per year, she could then just assign her unused points to any loved one in the family, or she can just transfer those points right back to mom or dad's account, and they could then reassign those points to another family member down the road. So again, another great thing about this program is that any unused points are not going to go to waste, nor will they expire, as long as their daughter, in this example, transfers her unused points back to another family member's account. They can then use those points at any time down the road. So now, using this same example, I'm going to show you how the tuition reward points complement the life insurance plan. And here I brought up a sample illustration of Dad's policy. then as you can see here, he can take out just under $6,000 per year for a total of just under $24,000 in 4 years. And now with Mom's policy, she's going to end up with a total of just over $22,000 in total withdrawal loans in 4 years. So that allows them to have a combined total in withdrawal loans of over $46,000. So now if we combine that with the 28,000 total tuition reward points that have been assigned to their daughter, we have created a college fund totaling $74,112. And now remember, $28,000 of that is because this family chose you to be their life insurance agent. So here is where you can really see how you have just set yourself apart from any other agent in the marketplace. How you've just given your client the icing on the cake, as we like to call it, these guaranteed college scholarship points that they would not have been able to receive had they gone elsewhere. And now these guaranteed free college scholarships can be offered with any permanent life insurance plan. And as you can see here, we have illustrated the Life Pro Plus IUL from Allianz. Now, we have chosen Allianz as our core carrier for a number of different reasons. Now, Allianz has a published history of consistent renewal rates, and they trade over 1 billion options worldwide daily, which gives policyholders amazing earning potential. And Allianz they do have the most innovative IUL that's ever been released in the marketplace, and that is the Life Pro Plus, which I did just previously illustrate for you. Now, this product features the highest annual point-to-point caps, lowest guarantee loan rates. There's an LTC and enhanced cash value rider. And just this past month, they did launch some exciting new features. So hopefully you've already heard about those new features. If you have not, please reach out to your Fund College specialist at Gateway, and they can get you over further information. And then further on, I'll also dive deeper into the incredible amount of sales support that Allianz also has to offer agents in the Fund College program. But for now that we know all the different parts of this program, let's go ahead and dive into the main reason you are all here today, and that's what's in it for you. So now, by contracting through Gateway, you are going to receive the following amazing benefits. You will be given direct access to the Fund College Agent Center and our proprietary college funding planner application. Now, on the Agent Center, you are going to find turnkey lead mailers in a variety of both agent and client marketing materials. In addition to that, you're going to receive ongoing state-of-the-art sales training from both Gateway and Allianz. So let me go ahead and focus in on each of these benefits a little bit closer for you. And to begin, here is a screenshot of the Fund College consumer website. And this was developed to illustrate this program for you and for your clients. Now from here, you're going to have access to our exclusive Agent Center, where you'll input your ID and password, which you will obtain upon submission of your contracting paperwork. And once you're in here, you're going to have access to agent training pieces, client marketing materials, direct Allianz staff team access, and the college funding planner application, which was built to illustrate the hottest program in the industry, and that is these free guaranteed college scholarships. Now, this proprietary application is going to allow you to create for each of your clients a personalized 4-page presentation that really helps make the sale for you. Now, this proprietary application will allow you to create for each of your clients a personalized that you're seeing right here, and it's a simple input calculator that, again, will just ask for your client's basic information as well as the data that's gathered from the life insurance illustration. You input the numbers, and in seconds, you have created, again, this 4-page presentation. And what it really does, it allows you to show your clients the power of these tuition reward points and how they really enhance the life insurance plan as the ideal financial solution. And then in addition to this proprietary tool, I mentioned that you also have access to an incredible amount of client marketing materials. And this includes several different options for lead mailers. Now, the next slide I'm going to show you is a successful lead mailer that was developed by Allianz. Now, Allianz, they have a complete college funding workbook, and hopefully most of you have seen this workbook. If not, you can request this directly from Gateway after we end the call here today. But it's incredible. It's packed with client marketing flyers, brochures, prospecting tips, scripts, an agent DVD, and customizable client lead mailers. Now, here on the screen is just one example of a customizable lead mailer that is provided for you immediately after your appointment with Allianz is complete. So again, if you have not had access to this workbook already, please reach out to Gateway following this presentation and they can make sure to get one sent over to you. And then in addition to all of this marketing that we're arming you with, again, I just want to continue to stress the amount of sales support and training you will also be provided with as an agent in our Fun College program. Now, Gateway hosts monthly sales training webinars, and these webinars are packed with new sales ideas and new cutting-edge products. In addition to that, we also host city-to-city in-person training classes all throughout the year. Now, our Fun College agents will also have the opportunity to earn an all-expenses-paid trip to San Diego for life and annuity sales training, which is hosted by nationally acclaimed sales trainer Bob Williams. Now, for more information on Bob Williams' training, again, you can also reach out to Gateway following this presentation, and they can get you over further information. And in addition to the in-person trainings, again, you are also going to have direct access to both your dedicated marketers at Gateway and Allianz's FAST team. Now, both areas of support are going to provide you with case design, product support, sales concepts, college planner assistance, and any further marketing support that you need. So now I've shown you the Fun College program inside and out, and I've shared with you everything that Gateway has to offer you as an agent in the program. So the next step is to get contracted right away if you have not done so already. Again, you can reach out to your Fun College specialist at Gateway. The number is there on the screen. It's 855-891-6270, and they can make sure to get you over the contracting paperwork right away. Because please do keep in mind that once we do receive back your contracting paperwork, we will hold your spot in this program for 30 days. So what that means is that you will have 30 days to submit back your first piece of new business so you can truly see the excitement that this program generates, not only for you, but for your clients as well. And here you can see I listed for you, again, everything that Gateway has to offer you as a contracted agent in our Fun College program. So I just want to thank you all again for joining me today, and congratulations for ensuring that your foot is in the door for this revolutionary program. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we have dedicated the rest of the half hour or so to get to any questions that you may have. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is give the line back to Stephen. So Stephen, if you could help me relay those questions and how they can be asked. Stephen, do we see any questions coming through? We'll just give it another minute to see if any come in. Okay, it looks like we do have a question. Dusharm's hand is raised. It looks like your phone line is unmuted. If you have a question, go ahead and ask that. Oh, it went down, so maybe not. All right. So I'm guessing that means that we don't have any questions today. So hopefully that's a good thing. We got everything answered for you. Of course, if you do have any questions after today, or if you think of something after we get off here today, the number's right there on the screen for Gateway. Again, 855-891-6270. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and end here today. Everyone, thank you so much again for joining us. Have a great rest of your day, and welcome to Fun College. Bye-bye.